Number 5. The RED5 RC Dune. Buggy is a thrilling off-road machine built for high-speed action and rugged terrain adventures. With its aggressive design and robust suspension system, this remote-controlled vehicle is engineered to conquer dirt trails, gravel paths, and uneven landscapes with ease. Its powerful motor delivers impressive acceleration, allowing it to reach exhilarating speeds that make it a standout in its category. The large, grippy tires ensure excellent traction and stability, while the lightweight yet durable frame absorbs shocks and minimizes impact damage during intense runs. Number 4. The BEZGAR Hobbyist Grade RC Car stands out as a high-performance vehicle built to meet the demands of serious RC enthusiasts who crave speed, durability, and precise control. Crafted with a robust metal chassis and reinforced components, this car is designed to handle rough terrains, jumps, and high-impact collisions without compromising performance. Its powerful brushed or brushless motor options provide intense torque and acceleration, propelling the vehicle to impressive top speeds that make it ideal for competitive racing or off-road exploration. Independent suspension on all 4 wheels, coupled with high-grip rubber tires, ensures smooth handling, shock absorption. Number 3. The SZJJX Off-Road RC Car is a dynamic and rugged remote-controlled vehicle built to tackle challenging terrain with ease and deliver exhilarating performance for hobbyists and casual enthusiasts alike. Featuring a resilient chassis and reinforced suspension system, it handles impacts, jumps, and rough terrain without missing a beat, while oversized. Knobby tires provide exceptional grip and traction on dirt, gravel, grass, and rocky surfaces. Powered by a high-torque electric motor, the SZJJX zooms across open spaces with rapid acceleration and impressive top speed, ideal for both competitive racing and backyard adventures. The advanced 2.4 GHz remote control ensures precise steering and throttle response, allowing you to make tight turns and quick maneuvers even at high velocity and strong signal range. Durable waterproof electronics mean the vehicle keeps going through splashes, puddles, or dusty environments, and its rechargeable battery packs offer extended runtime before needing a recharge. Its styling, including bold decals, rugged roll, cage, and sport-inspired bodywork, adds to the excitement, giving the SZJJX Off-Road RC Car a sleek, action-ready look. Together, these features combine into an immersive, high-energy driving experience that captures the thrill of off-road racing in a compact, easy-to-operate package. Number 2. The RACENT 1/24 RC Crawler is a meticulously engineered mini off-road vehicle designed for precision. Crawling over the most challenging obstacles, delivering a captivating blend of scale realism and rugged performance. Built on a finely detailed chassis with adjustable suspension and realistic shock absorbers, this little crawler maneuvers over rocks, gravel, and uneven surfaces with remarkable stability and agility. Its gear-driven transmission system provides slow torque-rich power that gives exceptional control at all speeds, a must for navigating technical terrain. The oversized soft rubber tires and high ground clearance foster excellent traction and obstacle negotiation, while its low-speed steering mechanism ensures smooth and accurate turn-ins on tight paths. Equipped with a compact but reliable electric motor and a proportional 2.4 GHz radio system, the RACENT Crawler offers precise throttle and steering response, maintaining consistent signal even at a distance. Powered by a rechargeable Li-ion battery pack, delivers extended runtime for lengthy crawling sessions, and the durable body with scale-inspired detailing and vibrant paintwork enhances the visual appeal. Whether you're painstakingly picking your way over boulders or cruising through miniature rock gardens, the RACENT 1/24 RC Crawler delivers immersive technical driving in a compact and user-friendly format. Number 1. The HAIBOXING 1/18 scale all-terrain RC Car is a compact powerhouse built for off-road adventures, delivering speed, durability, and thrilling performance in a small package. With its 4WD traction system and high-torque RC 380 brushed motor, this RC car can reach speeds of up to 36 km/h, making it an exciting choice for racing on various terrains. It features rugged, all-terrain knobby tires, independent suspension, and a tough PVC chassis reinforced with metal parts, allowing it to tackle gravel, grass, and muddy paths with ease, while maintaining stability and shock absorption during jumps and rough landings. The splash-proof electronic speed controller and sealed electronics make it resistant to water and dust, ensuring reliable operation in unpredictable environments. A responsive 2.4 GHz remote system provides accurate,